The petitioner, the accused, he has been on remand since August 2011. Our constitution provides that a person is to be tried within a reasonable time, but the trial includes not only the giving or the taking of evidence, but a decision is to be made, whether it by a jury or by a judge, and so that wasn't done. There was evidence taken in July and August of 2016. The decision whether the accused is guilty or not, that hasn't been given, hasn't been made as yet, and so based on acceptable principles of law, the judge, Mr. Justice Lord, granted bail.
Yeah, there was strenuous opposition from the prosecutor, in that the prosecutor was saying that the judgment might be delivered sometime, but he was unable to tell the court when the judgment would be delivered. So do you think that weighed heavily on Justice Lord's mind, why he allowed your petitioner to be released on bail?
Well, as was urged and explained in the court, ordinarily if a person is charged with murder and he applies for bail, the prosecution could say, listen, there's no need to give him bail because he could be tried 2 months, 3 months, a month later. Here, the uncertainty of when a decision would be given, that certainly would then tilt in the favor of the petitioner, the accused, and so yes, I do believe that would have been an operating factor, deciding factor in the accused being granted bail.
All right, and break down for us finally how there is the possibility that a retrial may have to be ordered in this case. How would the court system go about doing that?
Well, I haven't wrapped my mind around that as yet as to how a retrial, because there are specific statutory provisions which sets out when a retrial is to be ordered, and as it relates to, like, say, a jury trial. If, for instance, you have a jury is unable to, after the expiration of whether 2 hours or 4 hours, come to a decision of either guilty or not guilty, then that is what you would call a hung jury. I don't think, I could be wrong, but I don't believe that a similar scheme applies in a non-jury trial with respect to a judge sitting alone. So I'm not quite sure if that is at all possible.